first law of thermodynamics, which is very important law. According to this law, whenever heat is added to the system, right, whenever heat is added to the system, it transforms to an equal amount of energy, to some other form. So basically, what does that mean? Whenever heat is added to the system, for example, if we are having a container and this is a piston and here we are having a gas. So whenever heat is added to the system, it transforms the energy to another form. Now you can imagine that when you are adding the heat, what changes can take place? Now suppose the system is confined that no heat exchange takes place. In that case, and suppose that whatever the amount of heat is you are providing, what is doing that is increasing the temperature. Now since the temperature is increasing, it means what is happening, internal energy is increasing. Okay, so we can say that increase in internal energy, and in general we can say that change in internal energy. So we can say that if heat is applied to the system and that remains inside the system, there will be change in internal energy. Second case, now if you are providing heat and that does not remain in the system, means in that case this gas is using that heat in case of expansion or compression, depending upon the mean how you are providing the heat. So basically in that case, what is being happening? Work is being done. Basically either the work is done on the system or work is done by the system. So it means if dq is the amount of heat supplied to the system that can be used in changing the internal energy if it remains in the system, or doing the work done, or both. So this is the first law of thermodynamics. So that accordingly the sign conventions that is being followed is: number 1, when heat is supplied to the system, in that case dq is taken as positive, or vice versa. Second case, when gas expand, dW, that is work done, is taken to be positive, and when it compresses, it is taken as negative. Third sign convention is when temperature increases, internal energy increases, so du is taken to be positive. So basically when we are supplying something, expansion is taking place, temperature is increasing, that is to be taken positive, and in decreasing sense all these terms can be taken to be negative.